Si Minister Yumnam Kemsana Mayai Tangbal Lauduna ngasi ayuk pung taraga mathoirong tarakpada Mantri Pukida Laiba Anoba Si Minister ge Office ta Cabinet ki mifam pangthoktuna Tongan Tonganba Department Singgi Thabak Mayam ama Lounaba Warep Loukhre Cabinet ki mifam masagi matangda press na phangba pau gi matung inna Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Government of Manipur ge Group B, Group C masung Group D ge Tongan Tonganba post saniga marfuga nitoy contract oina Lounaba ayaba pikre masida sunatana Family Welfare Department ki oina Auxiliary Nurse Midwife ANM ge hangduna lariba post samaga humputra ga humdoi Lounaba ngasi cabinet ki mifam na Warep Loukhre Imphal jiribam lambi pakthokpada sokhalaba Tairen pokpida ge Tamenglong fawba ge khungang mapan na konba imung amamamda lupa lising marfuga tara one-time special humanitarian assistant oina pinabawafum su kebinena ayaba pikre None districta Imphal daki jiribam fawba National Highway kontraga taret pakthok sakthok hanabagi matangda ahum suba package ki oina kimi aniga dasmik marina konba mafamda Hector ahumga dasmik samapanga humputaraga nitoy park sauba lam lainabagi matang dasu Warep Loukhre Khongsang Railway Station gi approach road cum goods collation area semgat nabagi damak lam lainaba direct purchase committee DPC sem nabagi matang dasu cabinet na Warep Loukhre SASCI gi makada loktakta luxury resort semgat pagalunya na tourism gi package paikhan nabagi matang dasu Warep Loukhre Bisnupur Forest Division gi oina Range Forest Office sanabagi damak Divisional Forest Office ta lampi nabagi matang dasu Warep Loukhre Imphal West District ta Ayush ki dispensary ma sanaba Director Ayush ta lampi naba hainasu cabinet na Warep Loukhre hari